This is what I use so that my dogs can get through. It is very, very sturdy. Unfortunately, even with the protective plastic, it's not quite enough to protect the door. It did just rip through that. I also, small branding thing, because of the way my door opens, I do install it upside down. So just be aware that you will have to install it whichever direction makes sense for how your door closes. And there's my little dog. Keeps her out. All in all, does what it's supposed to do though. Keeps the dogs out, lets the cat go in and out.